The $500,000 turnkey powerhouse, an elite analysis of the Gelon Lithium-Ion battery production line. Welcome to SmartSkillPath. I am your guide through the world of elite industrial systems and high-ticket opportunities. Today, we are stepping out of the training camp and into the boardroom. We aren't talking about bodyweight metrics or anaerobic thresholds, we are talking about industrial weight and global energy dominance. The world is shifting. We are witnessing a massive transition toward electric vehicles, renewable storage, and portable power. If you want to be a follower and buy a few shares of stock, that is your choice. But if you want to be a leader, if you want to be the whale in the room, you build the infrastructure. You build the factory. Today, I am performing an elite review of the Gelon Lithium-Ion battery production line. This is a $500,000 turnkey solution currently available on Alibaba. Let's break down why this is a battle-ready investment for the modern industrialist. Gelon is not a fly-by-night outfit. They are an established titan in the LIB sector, providing full-scale automatic battery-making machinery for both cylindrical and pouch cells. Just like every high-performance system we teach here at SmartSkillPath, whether it's the root and rocket training or advanced combat science, an industrial production line requires a flawless foundation. In my 30 years of documented experience, I have learned that if the foundation is weak, the entire structure will collapse under pressure. This Gelon system covers the absolute root of the battery-making process, the coating, slitting, and vacuum drying phases. This is where the magic happens. Without surgical precision in the coating phase, your battery cells will fail. Gelon utilizes high-accuracy rollers and advanced tension control systems that ensure every single micron of material is applied with total consistency. There is zero room for handiwork errors here. This is pure, elite automation designed to eliminate human fatigue and mechanical variance. Once your root is established, the system transitions into what I call the rocket phase, winding and assembly. This is where the raw materials are transformed into energy-storing weapons. The Gelon machinery handles electrode winding with a level of speed that is frankly staggering. It is engineered for high speed, high volume output. We are talking about the capacity to produce thousands of high-grade cells every single day. Whether you are targeting the booming EV market, the military-grade drone sector, or the home energy storage revolution, the efficiency of this Gelon line is the engine of your profit. This is what turns a $500,000 investment into a multi-million-dollar annual revenue stream. This is done and dusted engineering at its finest. You might ask, Coach, why are you reviewing industrial battery factories on SmartSkillPath? The answer is simple: true mastery requires diversification. You cannot be a warrior in only one arena. To be a shadow commander of your own life, you must own the systems that power the world. This Gelon line isn't just a collection of steel and wires, it is a business in a box. One of the most significant hurdles in the industrial space is the how-to. Gelon removes that barrier by providing the full turnkey experience. They provide the technical training, the physical installation, and the critical raw material sourcing. For an investor with the capital and the vision, this is a low-friction entry into the most important industry of the next 30 years. This machine represents the highest standard of honest, industrial reliability. It follows the Noah principle: build it right, build it strong, and it will carry you through the storm. So, let's look at the bottom line. Is this system worth $500,000? If you are looking for a hobby, no. But if you have the vision to power the future and the drive to sit at the head of the supply chain, then absolutely. My verdict is final: Gelon is the ageless warrior of the battery production world. It is rugged, it is reliable, and it is elite. I have placed a deep link in the description below. This link will take you directly to the full specifications and the direct manufacturer contact on Alibaba. Don't just watch the future happen, own the machines that make it possible. Start your industrial empire today. And remember, if you want to power the body while you power the world, head over to machamp.com for my root and rocket training system. We build the man, and we build the machine.